morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Swimming Official. Today we have to discuss about class 11 chemistry. Class 11 chemistry. That means in this section of video we have to discuss about all the terms of the naming of organic compounds where the functional group attached are the main object. That means in previous section of video we have to discuss about the naming of those type of organic compounds where we have to discuss about the formation when functional group attached to the parent chain. That means we have to always give priority to the functional group in terms of the lowest block and tool application, and we also have to discuss that we have to use the proper suffix for this. Now this section is started from our classes of the question graph. That we have name the organic compound in term of IUPAC name, having functional group. That means we have some questions here. Question number first is here in terms of the formation, that is question number 2 is here in the mean of CH2 and CH2 C double bond CH3. Question number 3 is here CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH CH3 CH2 CH2 C double bond O H. Question number 4 is here in terms of the formation, that is the combination of the formation where we have to discuss about the meaning of another compound, that is question number 4 is here and question number 5 is CH3 CH2 C double bond CH2 CH2 CH3. That means there are 5 questions we have to discuss in terms of the functional group of subsequence. That means in terms of their all the compounds containing a functional group having in parent chain. That means we have to follow such rules. That means we have to discuss these rules in the previous section of video. Just revise this rule, guys, and apply it to every question, and we have to form this. So guys, we have to recall all the rules of the naming of organic compound in terms of the IUPAC names when the functional group attached to the parent chain. That is, the first rule is we have to select the parent chain having containing the more number of carbon in it. After that, we have to see that is there any functional group is attached in the parent chain. If there is functional group is attached in the parent chain, we have to discuss that the term is belonging from that lowest block and tool is applied for the lowest numbering, that is more purity of the functional group than any other substrate. In terms of previous section, we have to discuss that when substrate is added in the parent chain, that means we have to give the priority to the subsequent, but in the terms of the subsequent of the functional group, our priority is changed. Now we have to discussing this on the question. This is so easy questions here. Just know the rule, follow the rule, apply on the question, and you can get solve this. In terms of first question, guys, we have discussed that this is the term of cyclohexene. This is cyclohexene, and one functional group in terms of carboxylic acid is attached to the mean. We have to discuss that this is the attachment sphere. This carbon atom is not consisting of this. We have to discuss this rule in terms of the preparation. When the carbon attachment of the functional group is counted in terms of numbering, you have to use their proper suffix. If their carbon attachment is not counted in the system, that means this is completed in terms of their prefix. That means you have to discuss this question number first. This is an optional question that we have to discuss very carefully. For this, we have to do numbering from this because this is a functional group of carboxylic acid is here. That means here we have to solve the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this carbon is not counted in your parent chain, guys. This carbon is not counted in your parent chain. So take note of this. This carbon is not counted in your parent chain. And as we know that if this is the rule, if the carbon of functional group is not counted in the parent chain, you have to use the prefix of this functional group individually. You don't have to use the prefix, suffix of this functional group, then it's got wrong. That means in terms of this naming, you have to write that this is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. This is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. You don't have to write this cyclohexanoic acid. If you write this cyclohexanoic acid, this is not in terms of only hexane here. That means your number of carbon is revealed in terms that you have to take this carbon, your numbering is greater than 6, that is 7. Heptane is calculated. That means this is, take a note of this after that sequence. I will discuss that, the rule for this. That means take a note here. Note. If the carbon of functional group is not counted in the parent chain, then in terms of IUPAC naming, you have to use their prefix only, and this note rule is applied on this compound. Again for this combination, take a note of this. This is second question here. This is CU is combined in terms of this group is subsequent in terms of K2. I always tell you guys, if that means the meaning of theory is only that this is used for the solving question. After reading theory, you are not capable to solve questions, then this is not the meaning of any dynamic theory, and this is not the meaning of any learning. Your learning is meaningful when that all the theories are applied on the question. So we have to apply this thing. Now we have to discuss this question in terms of this formation. This is the compound having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a skeleton of 6 carbon. We have to select the parent chain for this. This is your parent chain. This is your parent chain. In terms of naming, we have to discuss that the priority is given to the functional group. That means this is your functional group. Numbering is starting from this. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In terms of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means in terms of locus topic for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means this functional group take locus numbering. In terms of chaining, you have to write here. This is 6 carbon skeleton. That means hex 2 ohm. Hex 2 ohm is here. Only hex 2 ohm. Now we have to discuss this question in terms of the formation. Before this, take a screenshot of this. After that, I have to erase this notes, guys. That means there is not a space for solving questions. This is showing a presentation way. You have not have to discuss, and you can't understand the subsequent follow. So take a screenshot of it. Okay, I will again put you. Now we have to discuss this question. That means we have to select the parent chain first. This is our parent chain. Containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbon. Before this, we have to discuss this question in terms of carboxylic acid. We have to write their prefix, but in terms of composition, we have to write the prefix for this. Prefix for this because the carbon of the functional group is counted in parent chain. In the solving this question, also this is the term of functional group having containing COOH. COOH is here. That is COOH is here. This is carboxylic acid, and its suffix is, as you know, that this is oic acid. Now we have to apply this question according to terms of lowest topic group. We have to numbering like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have discussed that. That means we have to see that this is the term of substituent in terms of that is methyl. Now we have to write the name for this. We have to write that here. You know what? This is 4-methyl. 4-methyl. 8 carbon. Oct is here. Every carbon is connected with the single bonding, that means A, octane, and there is functional group attached. This is the carboxylic acid. And this composition in terms, this is oic acid substance formation. That means 4-methyl octanoic acid. 4-methyl octanoic acid is formed. This is very popular compound. Wait, we have to discuss that. This is the Benzene derivative in terms. When any hydroxy group, this is your alcohol is hydroxy substrate. Alcohol is hydroxy substrate is attached on a benzene. The compound is taken to be phenol. And after this class, in the last class, we have to discuss the decision chapter, alcohol, phenol, and ethers. In terms of this chapter, we have to discuss this formation of phenol. Their properties also are discussed. In terms of the usages, every property proportionate are discussed by us. That means your fourth question is that phenol. After that, we have to discuss this question. This is our parent area. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, and this is the functional group of alcohol here. Alcohol. And this attached with the parent chain. That means you have to use their individual suffix now. That means this is bu, 10, all. This is butane, no. Now we have to name of this carbon skeleton. That means we have to select its parent chain, and this is our parent chain here. Naming in terms 1, 2, 3. From this 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. That means we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 6 carbon parent chain. You have to write H. Okay, H 3 O. This is ketone CO. This is ketone, and it's sufficient in terms of O. That means this is all the questions you have to apply the rules for this, and that's all are discussed by completed. So take the screenshot of this. After that, we have to discuss some theory in terms of exceptional case where this all are completed. That is why you have to apply this, you have to solve that whole question at home in terms of device weight. Now we have to discuss some important that is the composition that is here in term of priority. The double bond is more priority than the triple bond. But this is not applicable for the lowest locant group. In terms of the functional properties of the double bond and triple bond, you have to also know that the double bond is more purity than the triple bond, but this is not applicable for the pure lowest locant group. If both are placed on the same place, then you have to follow the priority of table above group means double bond having